Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala, Sri Pinarayi Vijayan, Honorable Minister for Culture, Law, SC/ST Parliamentary Affairs, Sri A.K. Balan, Honorable Minister for Cooperation, Tourism and Devaswam, Sri Kadagambally Surendran, Honorable Mayor, Sri K. Sri Kumar, Sri V.K. Prashant MLA, Guest of Honor, legendary actress Dr. Sharada, other dignitaries on dais, my colleagues, jury chairman, Mr. Khairi Beshara, other jury members, guests, dear delegates, members of the film industry, media, ladies and gentlemen. After battling great odds and almost getting cancelled in the aftermath of the flood last year, the 23rd IFFK had a flawless execution because of the solidarity of the people we have before us. The unflinching support by the government of Kerala in sustaining the spirit of the International Film Festival of Kerala was a major factor that helped IFFK survive onslaught by the natural calamity. The 24th edition of the IFFK is set to welcome all you film buffs who have helped to prove that no catastrophe can deter its focus and commitment to love for good cinema. The festival brings to you the latest happenings in films from around the world. We are proud that legendary filmmaker Fernando Solanas, the pioneer of third cinema, will be receiving the Lifetime Achievement Award this year. He became an icon of anti-imperialist struggles and collective political action. His films examine and put in context the Argentinian realities which are relevant to most of the third world countries. The 24th IFFK is honoring the iconic actor Dr. Sharada through a retrospective of her epoch-making works. Through different sections, curated packages and retrospectives, the festival is providing a rich fare of films, 183 in number, from more than 70 countries in 14 theatres spread across 8 days. The unique character of the IFFK is evolved by retaining the spaces for dialogue. We all know about the shrinking spaces of dissent in our society. The Academy is committed to retain the democratic nature of the festival. Apart from screening films, it also provides the lovers of cinema a platform for sharing views and discussing the films they watched at IFFK. The past editions of the IFFK have left an indelible mark on the cultural landscape of Kerala. The inventive set of ideas it infused into various art forms, including films, is much visible today. Over the years, it molded a large number of untrained delegates into filmmakers who win awards within and outside the country. We are committed to keep this track record intact in coming years as well. I wish all the film lovers gathered here 8 days of unhindered film viewing experience. Thank you.